Okay, so I'm here fixing to install these hinges and weld these plates to the back of this door. Didn't do too bad on that, huh? He wanted me to drill them in there, but I think it would be better just to weld them. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing on the outside is basically welding these plates right here to cover up this. It's basically gonna be going something like this right here. Okay, so I did two of them already. I did this one right here. Needs to be painted. I did this one right here, is already finished. Okay, so I just cut these pieces right here with this chop saw. We can put these holes in it. I got two more holes to drill and that's it. Sorry, I already finished fabricating the hinges. All I'm gonna do now is paint them. So I said I wasn't gonna drill them, I was gonna weld them, but the customer wanted them drilled, so I'm gonna just do what he wants. Didn't get to finish yesterday because it rained on me. So my job here is complete. I already put that on there. They were okay with it. He said he just wanted one. I built two of them, but it's complete now. On to the next job.